How to decorate your home like a professional. Whether you live in an apartment or a house, figuring out how to style and decorate your space can feel a bit overwhelming, from knowing which furniture to buy to figuring out how to style on a color scheme. There are several moving parts that go into making a house feel in like a home. While from us, diagnosed like Joanna Ganis of Magnolia and Umbrellas Leaves of Umbrella Interval have made into process really easier by opening tip of online and starting their own home and lifestyle stories. There are still other steps that you should be aware of in order to create the home of your dream. In addition to looking in the best, high quality furniture also tends to be the most comfortable and functional. Meaning is it is already of a bigger investment. While it might be able to draw you in with ridiculously low prices, the quality of their items can be a bit hit or miss. So there are definitely things you should never buy from IKEA. However, when it comes to restaurants, hardware, or West Elms, the price tags might make your heart skip a bit, but the quality that you receive is seriously top notch. Plus, furniture is not the cheapest things to buy in general. So if you are already spending the money, you might as well spend more and get something that will hold up and maintain its quality for years. While cartoon or windows coverings may seem unnecessary, especially if you are someone who perfects a lot of natural light, they actually make a hug difference is regards to the monthly and elegance of your space. Of course, there are many different places and stories that sit cartoons. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.